Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about multiplication of binomials using distributive property, FOIL method, and vertical form. Okay, so let's have example number 1 in distributive property. So we have to multiply the quantity of x plus 8 times the quantity of x plus 3. So gagawin natin, distribute natin yan si x kay x. Okay, so yan, x times x. Then si x naman, multiply naman natin kay 3. Okay, huwag kalimutan yung plus sign. Then next is 8 naman, multiply naman natin kay x. Ayan, so plus 8 times x. And then si 8 naman, multiply naman natin kay 3. So, plus 8 times 3. Then, simplify. So, x times x, x squared, plus 3x. X times 3 is 3x. Then, plus 8x. Then, plus 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, so, kapag ano natin yan, i-simplify pa natin yan, i-combine natin yung like terms. Kasi mayroong like terms yan, si 3x at saka si 8x. So, x squared plus 11x plus 24. Combine like terms. So, this is your final answer, x squared plus 11x plus 24. Okay? Sa FOIL method, example number 1. So, first, yung F stands for first term. Yan. Ang first term, si x at saka x. Yun ang mga first term. Okay? O naman, that is outer or outer terms. So, yung O dyan, asama ng outer diya, si x at saka si 3. Yan ang outer. Then, I, inner. Yung inner, that is 8 at saka si x. Tapos, yung last term, si 8 at saka si 3. Ayan, yun ang FOIL method. Okay? So, first term, si x multiply kay x, yun ang first. X word. Then, anong sunod? Outer. Si outer naman, yung O, x times 3. So, that is 3x. Then, anong sunod ni outer? Inner. Si inner, 8 times x. Si 8x. Then, last term, 8 times 3 is 24. Then, combine like terms. Ayan, 11x. So, final answer, x squared plus 11x plus 24. Okay? Example number 2 sa FOIL method. So, unahin natin yung first. So, x times x, that is x squared. Then, O, asan ang O dyan? Outer, x, at saka si negative 9. Ayan. So, that is negative 9x. Then, ano sunod si O? Inner. Si negative 4 at saka si positive x. So, final, ang result niyan is negative 4x. Then, last term, negative 4 times negative 9. Last term. So, that is positive 36. Combine like terms. So, i-add natin yan. So, we have to copy their common sign, then add. Kasi the same sign sila. So, that is negative 13x. So, final answer, x squared minus 13x plus 36. Okay? Yun ang FOIL method. So, dito naman tayo sa vertical method. Example number 1. Okay? So, pili na lang kayo kung anong gagamitin nyo ha. Kung saan ang mas madali para sa'yo. So, ang vertical, yan po ang vertical. So, 8 plus x plus 8, multiply natin kay x plus 3. So, vertical, ayan. So, x times x is x squared. X times x. Tapos, x times 8 is 8x. Then, x times 3 is 3x. Then, 8 times 3 is 24. Then, i-add natin. So, x squared, bring down natin yan kasi wala siyang kasama, wala siyang kapareho. Then ito si 8x at si 3x, i-combine yan, so that is 11x or positive 11x. Then si positive 24, bring down natin yan. Ayan. So ito yung final answer natin. X squared plus 11x plus 24. So sa tatlong method, pili na lang kayo kung anong gagamitin nyo. Another example sa vertical method, x, the quantity of x minus 5 times the quantity of x plus 7. Ayan, so unahin natin yung x times x. Ayan, so that is x squared. Then, x times 5 or negative 5, that is negative 5x. Then, x times 7 or 7 times x is positive 7x. Yan, vertical yan. Then, last is negative 5 times 7 or 7 times negative 5 is negative 35. Then, i-combine natin or i-add natin. Bring down natin si x squared. Yan, then negative 5x plus 7x, so that is positive 2x. Okay, we have to copy the sign of the bigger number and then subtract. Then, bring down natin si negative 35. Wala siyang kasama. Ayan, so final answer, x squared plus 2x minus 35. Okay, so ito yung activity ninyo. Number 1, answer number 1. The quantity of x plus 3 times the quantity of x plus 2. Number 2, a times the quantity of a minus 4 times the quantity of a plus 5. Number 3, the quantity of 2x minus 1 times the quantity of x plus 3. Number 4, the quantity of 3m plus 2 times the quantity of 2m minus 5. Then number 5, the quantity of 4y times minus 6 times the quantity of y minus 2. Okay, so your answer i-submit nyo na lang. Okay? Or pwede nyo i-comment nyo dyan sa comment section. At again, maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang. At paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Math Review. Maraming salamat and God bless. Bye-bye.